Good afternoon to all. Yeah. As a part of this workshop, today we have one guest. You can't say guest, but he is our own person. Dr. Amarjit Kene sir, Dean R&D. He is completed his PhD from IIT Kanpur. He is one of the best researcher. His special area is manufacturing, sir. Mechanical engineering and manufacturing. I would like to call Vijay Patil sir to felicitate him. Thank you, sir. Without wasting time on the other activities, I will like to tell sir to take charge of podium and inlet announce.
Good afternoon to all of you. You are from third year now? Division? Only one division. We are practice of two divisions. So myself Dr. Amarjit Kene. I am here in Mechanical Engineering Department as an associate professor. I done my BTech PE from Mechanical Engineering, MTech in Manufacturing Technology, and PhD Mechanical Engineering, that is specialization in Manufacturing Science. I done my PhD from IIT Kanpur. Along with that, I have experience of like 10 years of research experience plus 3 years of teaching experience. I have published few SCI papers. I have gone through one international conference at France. So this is the basic background of mine. Today I have been invited here for giving you a session on design thinking, critical thinking and innovation with the help of research. So I have been told that you have been given the session on design thinking yesterday as well as on entrepreneurship development. So I just like to ask you, this session will be interactive. I am not going to give you the slides and then dictate accordingly, but I just want to ask you a few questions in between. What do you mean by product, or what do you mean by project, BTech project? Because my objective as a Dean R&D is to enhance your or strengthen your BTech projects, and accordingly project to product, product to entrepreneurship. So what do you mean by project, BTech project? What do you understand by BTech project, or what do you understand by product, or is there any difference between project and product? Can someone tell me? Be frank. Do not get scared. Whatever answer you have in your mind, you can say like that. Yes, please. We will wait the cat first. Project आणि कवडे सर, can I use Marathi also?
Yes, please.
प्रोजेक्ट आणि प्रोडक्ट मध्ये काय डिफरन्स आहे? माझी मराठी चांगली नाही आहे तरी ट्राय. प्रोजेक्ट आणि प्रोडक्ट मध्ये काय डिफरन्स आहे? काय कल्पना? बोला. इकडे मागे you have a good strength of girls in the class. That is very rare in mechanical engineering department. Say, please use your common sense and tell me the answer. You have been having the sessions on design thinking as well as on the entrepreneurship. What actually entrepreneurship leads to, or what aspect we carry out to entrepreneurship. म्हणजे व्यापार करायसाठी किंवा entrepreneurship करायसाठी तुम्हाला काय लागतं? बेसिक आयडिया. फक्त आयडिया लागते. अल्टिमेट काय असतं? आयडिया झाली, प्लॅनिंग झाली, प्रोडक्ट. So there is a little bit small difference between project and product. Is a product is a thing which can be sellable. Okay, project can be converted into a product. Understood? Project not merely फक्त project तुम्ही डायरेक्ट प्रोजेक्ट घेऊन विकू शकत नाही, सेल करू शकत नाही. तो प्रोडक्ट तो सेलेबल किंवा तो प्रोडक्ट कधी बनतो जेव्हा तो सेलेबल होतो, त्याला ती क्वालिटी मिळते की हा आता विकण्याच्या साठी तयार आहे. ओके, so that is the basic difference between project and product. Now what will you do? You are in third year, you have to complete the TY mini project this year, this semester, no? And then final year project, final year BTech project. So what are you thinking on doing that project from electrical engineering department? What do you thinking? तुमच्या क्लासमध्ये सगळ्यात बोलतो कोण? आपण त्यांना टार्गेट वगैरे किंवा काय असतं, CR असतं ना, BR क्लास कोण आहे? चला मग फर्स्ट बेंच पासून सुरू करू, त्यांना कॉन्फिडन्स आहे. तुमच्या डोक्यात काय आयडिया बीटेक प्रोजेक्ट? तुम्हाला बोलायचं तर बोला. बीटेक प्रोजेक्टची तुमच्या डोक्यामध्ये काय आयडिया आहे की तुम्ही मेअरली डिपेंडंट राहणार तुमच्या गाईडवर? सर सांगतील ते मी करेल, ते मी करतो. सर सांगेल ते पूर्व दिशा, असं काही आहे का? असं काही आहे का की पूर्ण फुल्ली डिपेंडंट सरांनी सांगितलं तेच करणार, बाकी मला काहीच माहित नाही, असं काही आहे का? काहीतरी असेल ना आयडिया. आता मी जेव्हा बीटेक सेकंड इयरला होतो, आमच्या डोक्यात खूप चांगली आयडिया होती की कार आणायची, मेकॅनिकल इंजिनियर, कार आणायची, पार्ट उघडायचे, काहीतरी चेंज करायचं आणि त्याला बीटेक प्रोजेक्ट म्हणून सबमिट करायचं. असं तुमच्या डोक्यात काही इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजिनियर म्हणून? तुमच्या जागेवर मी असतो तर मी असं काही म्हटलं असतं की एखादं सेन्सर बनवलं असतं, एखादं डिस्ट्रीब्युशन लाईनमध्ये काहीतरी मॉडिफाय केलं असतं, काहीतरी म्हटलं असतं. तुमच्या डोक्यात काहीतरी असेल ना आयडिया की माझा बीटेक प्रोजेक्ट किंवा माझा TY मिनी प्रोजेक्ट मला या फील्डमध्ये करायचा. बोला ना. बोला. यू आर द मोस्ट, युअर ब्रांच इज मोस्ट desirable branch after CSI and EMTC, na? Advanced mechanical and civil. You should speak something. What do you think about your BTech project? काय करायला थिंक की माझा BTech प्रोजेक्ट असा एक इनोव्हेटिव्ह प्रोजेक्ट असला पाहिजे ज्यामध्ये या इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजिनिअरिंगचा वापर करून एखादा लोकल प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह करता आला पाहिजे. ओके, तर लोकल प्रॉब्लेम म्हणजे काय? व्हॉट इज द लोकल प्रॉब्लेम? What we have in local currently, what we have common in local, that is one is agriculture. At the same time, some social issues. So electrical and social issues कुठले असतात किंवा agricultural issues कुठले असतात? सगळ्यात ज्वलंत इश्यू कुठला agriculture? लोड शेडिंग. त्याचा ऑप्शन काय आपल्याकडे? सोलार. सोलारमध्ये तुम्हाला काय माहिती आहे? कल्पना काय? नाही, पण इलेक्ट्रिकल पॉईंट ऑफ व्ह्यूने काय माहिती? सबसिडी इज सोशल पॉईंट ऑफ व्ह्यू, इकॉनॉमिकल पॉईंट ऑफ व्ह्यू. इलेक्ट्रिकल पॉईंट ऑफ व्ह्यूने तुम्ही त्यात काय मॉडिफिकेशन करू शकता? तर त्याला काही बीटेक प्रोजेक्ट करू शकता का? किंवा आपलं विंड एनर्जी आहे, दॅट इज ऑल्सो मोर प्रॉमिनंट इन दिस रिजन ऑल्सो. वी कॅन सी लॉट ऑफ विंड पॉवर, विंड मिल्स in on the road. So what modification, or is it already developed and no modification is required, like bicycle? bicycle मध्ये काही मॉडिफिकेशन लागतात का? What modification we can do in bicycle? It has been developed or it has been manufactured 100 years ago, bicycle. But what modification we have done in it? Just we change the gear ratio and design. But basic principle मध्ये काही चेंज केलं का तुम्ही? करून करून आपण त्याला EV करू शकतो. That's why bicycle is called as ultimate design, optimized design. That doesn't require any type of modification apart from some like accessories like gears and EVs. कसं आहे का सोलर
ट्रॅकिंग सिस्टीम बसवू शकतो.
What? काय कसं करणार त्याला?
सेन्सर्स लावून ट्रॅकिंग म्हणजे सनरेजसाठी सोलार प्लेट होणार किंवा सोलार प्लांट जे सोलार प्लेट सोलार प्लांट आहे तो सिस्टीम आपण इन्स्टॉल करू शकतो.
Good. Now what he says, we can give some mechanism to the solar system by which it can be auto rotated or auto deflected with as per the position of the sun. Understood? मग त्याला एक सेन्सर लावणार आणि सनच्या पोझिशननुसार ते होणार. आता now as a design point of view or design thinking point of view or from the BTech project point of view or from the research point of view, what you should think first? What you should think first? I will not go to the slides. I will talk like that only. What do you think first? What you should think first? Is this type of product or this type of technology has already been developed by someone or not? म्हणजे तुमच्या डेव्हलपमेंटचा काही फायदा नाही का? होणार नाही फायदा. तुम्ही खूप विचार केला आता घरी बसला आणि मला एक अशी डिव्हाइस बनवायची ज्यातून मला हवा मिळाली पाहिजे आणि ते खूप 10 वर्ष रिसर्च केल्यानंतर त्यांनी एक सिलिंग फॅन बनवला आणि मार्केटमध्ये विकायला आणला की बाबा हा माझा नवीन प्रोडक्ट आहे. मार्केटमध्ये ऑलरेडी किती कंपनी विकतात सिलिंग फॅन. तुमचं इनोव्हेशन काय त्यामध्ये? मग auto rotation of solar panels, is it innovation? At this point it is innovation, but by someone else. You have to rethink on that, you have to remodify something on that and then come out with some project. That is called as research. The word research is called as, you can spell it out, research पुन्हा सर्च करणे. ऑलरेडी एक्झिस्टेड गोष्टींना पुन्हा सर्च करणे, त्यात मॉडिफिकेशन काही करता येते का ते बघणे आणि नंतर नवीन प्रोडक्ट डेव्हलप करणे. दॅट इज द पार्ट ऑफ ए क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग. आणि व्हॉट इज डिझाईन थिंकिंग? In design thinking, you don't need to do that thing. It's a innovative, completely innovative thing. You don't have to worry about the result. You don't have to worry about the failures. Just do something in some direction without knowing the output. That is called as design thinking. And in critical thinking, like in the research, what we do analysis. We do research. We do patent search, or we do paper search, and then afterwards we come to a conclusion. That is called as research point of view. Now your BTech project should be of that quality. It should have comprised of all these things. What things I told? The research. Research means doing the project before come to the point that I have to make a rotatable or I have to make a movable solar panels according to the position of sun. You have to think, you have to go to the Science Direct, you have to go to the various platforms to search the already published work and see whether this kind of work has been done or not. If it is done, how he has done it. If it is not done, what nearby work he has done or she has done. Okay. For example, we will continue with the solar panel only. For example, if some author or some company has already developed that, and they have used stepper motor. You know stepper motor? How to run the stepper motor? How we give input to stepper motor? Do we give input directly by putting it in the AC plug, or do we need to program it? Program on the PLC, Arduino, Pixar, whatever. I don't have that information about electrical. But it has to be programmed. Okay. For example, that already developed product may have only stepper motor and it is programmed, basically programmed by some basic devices or basic program, basic language. What modification you can do as an electrical engineer? You can search for servo motors. Okay, let's search for that in that way, whether servo motor have been used by a researcher or some company or some inventor. You have to look for that. Okay, at the same time you can also look for different types of solar panels. What types of solar panels are there in market now? Polymer and nowadays monomer. Monomer are costlier. Their life is higher or lower, but output is life is not higher. Output is very good as compared to the polymer. Polymer is cheaper, life is good, but output is also bad. So that's why people are moving as per their requirement towards the types of material, whether they are going for monomer or polymer. At the same time, I have seen in some paper in Chinese, in China they are going for flexible type of solar panels. Whether these panels are giving output as same as the panels we have? No. That is the problem statement. That is the research gap. That is the gap in which you can work. You can prepare or you can manufacture a solar panel, a flexible solar panel, which should be able to give output as same as the panel we have on our rooftop. Is it a problem? Is it a problem statement? Can you work on that? Can you work on that? Bola? It's not your regular lecture. You don't need to be more. Speak. Give me a response. Then only I can move forward. माझा ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह काय इथे येण्याचा की तुमचं बीटेक प्रोजेक्ट किंवा तुमचं थर्ड इयर मिनी प्रोजेक्ट दॅट शुड बी स्ट्रॉंग इनफ टू पुट इट इन फ्रंट ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट or to put it in front of the government that we have built a product that can be manufactured and that can be sellable to the local community. असे काही प्रोडक्ट सांगू शकता का तुम्ही जे आपण लोकल कम्युनिटीला सेल करू शकतो? माझ्याकडे एक आहे. आता लोकल कम्युनिटी जेव्हा आपण शब्द वापरतो तेव्हा आपल्याकडे दोन तीन गोष्टी डोक्यात आल्या पाहिजे. एक कॉस्ट, एक फिजिबिलिटी आणि तिसरा ऑपरेशन. त्याचं कसं म्हणजे the level of operation. Is it able to, that person is able to handle that machine or not? Will be able to handle that machine or not? या दोन तीन गोष्टींना डोक्यात घालायला पाहिजे. माझ्याकडे एक प्रोडक्ट आहे सोलर ड्रायर. आपण सगळेजण घरी आवळा वगैरे उन्हाळ्यात सुकवतो ना त्याला वरचढ ठेवायसाठी. कॅन्डी बनवतो आपण, आवळा कॅन्डी वगैरे बनवतात ना. आपण काय करतो? बाहेर उन्हात वाळू घालतो. बट when we researched on that, we thought on that process, whether is it really giving you output properly or not? No. Any product having the water content need to be dried out quickly to increase the shelf life of that item. If you want to use that gooseberry for 2 years of span or 1 year of span, it need to be dried out very quickly and it can be stored afterwards. But if it is not dried out quickly, तर जर 3 दिवस तुम्ही वाळवतच राहिले तर काय होणार? त्याच्यावर फंगस तयार होतो. बघितलंय? मग ते कामाचं राहतं का? नाही. And at the same time, when we thought to dry it out quickly, we saw that if we dry it out too quickly, it will get burned out. Okay? So we have to find out some optimum time. How to do it with the help of normal sunlight? Is it possible? No. Is it possible with the help of solar cooker? No, it will dry. It will get burned out too fast. How to do it? We have to suppose, for example, outside temperature is 45 degrees Celsius. Understood? And gooseberry has to be dried out at 55 or 60 degrees Celsius. How to get that temperature? So what we did? We built a simple structure, a triangular structure having a polycarbonate sheets on both the sides, a simple triangular structure. लाईक अवर हट. हट म्हणजे झोपडी झाली. या साईडला पॉलिकार्बोनेट शीट, या साईडला पॉलिकार्बोनेट शीट आणि मध्ये ट्रेस लावले. ट्रेस कुठले? वायर मेश ट्रेस, जाळीचे ट्रे लावले आणि असे 2-3 ट्रे ठेवले. ओके. आणि त्याला जाळीकडून क्लोज केलं. ओपनिंग फक्त एका साईड ठेवायची, एक्झॉस्ट छोटासा एक, त्याला पर्क्युलेटेड होल्स ठेवायचे. त्याने काय झालं की बाहेरची हीट आतमध्ये गेली, पण पॉलिकार्बोनेट काय करतं, आतमधली हीट बाहेर देत नाही, पण बाकी मेटल त्याला बाकी साईडला ॲल्युमिनियम लावलं आहे, ते हीट अंदर घेतं, हीट ते स्टोअर राहतं. व्हॉट वी ऑब्झर्व, if the outside temperature is 45 degrees Celsius, the inside temperature raised to 55-60 degrees Celsius, and it supported our drying process very well. The gooseberry, which took time of 1.5 day, it is becoming dried out in 6 to 7 hours in the day sunlight. That increases the shelf life. That is the problem. That is what we invented, or we come to know that. We have not invented that product, that thing, but we come to that conclusion that if any product can be dried out in very less time, the shelf life increases. We have tested the shelf life, we have used the shelf, we have tried and tested for after 1 year. I have selfly ate a product 1 year old, on 1.5 year old. It tastes same. So this is a product. This is a product which can be sellable. Now, when we go to the market, or when we go to the farmers, or when we go to the village area, we give that product to that person and ask him to operate it. Is it hard to operate, or is it very easy to operate? No electricity is required, no special skill is required, nothing is required. So what he did, he opened the trays and put the that material inside, close it, put it in the sunlight for 6 hours, and at the end of the day, this product is ready, and it can be packed as soon as possible, and it can be sold if you have a FSSAI license. You know FSSAI license, food license from the government of India. It can be brought in the 400-500 rupees. You can start your own business. So that is called as a product. So this is not our technology. This is BARC technology. Who is BARC? Bhabha Research Atomic Center. They have such various technologies. Now what we did, we didn't remain on the gooseberry. We tried chiku, we tried onion, we tried fish, we tried chicken powder, we tried fish powder, and whatnot, like 150 recipes by our own. We have one center at Tarapur. Our college has one center at Tarapur, Boisar, Mumbai, where we have one center named as Akruti. It is in collaboration with NPCI Tarapur and BARC Mumbai. So where we did all this type of research. So my request to you is that we have to think in such a way how to go for a product, or how to convert the project into the product. Now tell me, your electrical engineering area, what kind of project you want to do into your BTech? Tell me one by one. I want answers from your side. Don't be even silent. If you speak, looking at you, other will speak. So take initiative. In your BTech final year project, training and placement, when there is a group discussion, no, the person who speaks first has get maximum marks. That is very important from that point of view also. त्यांनी सोलर म्हटलं. आणखी कुठले प्रोजेक्ट आहे का तुमच्याकडे? हे सगळे निवांत आहेत. बघू.
Yeah, they shared sir that EY projects are. So there many projects also they have shared us.
Tell me I want to know what are the different ideas in your mind.
बॅटरी साईज मध्ये जास्त वेटेजची बॅटरी तयार होते. कमी साईजच्या बॅटरी मध्ये जास्त वेटेज तयार होते.
कमी साईजच्या बॅटरी मध्ये जास्त वॅटेज आउटपुट जास्त असतं. गुड. आणखी I just want to see your thinking. Thinking is required to think on. Thinking ला पण think करायची गरज असते. You have very less time because तुमचं पण सर फायनल इयर अर्धा असणार ना.
Yes, yes.
Only 1 year is remaining. 3.7 semester BTech is there, no? Very less time. So we have to start thinking on that. If not, start thinking on your BTech project, final year project, not on the TY mini project at the same time. TY mini project can be a part of your BTech project, or it can be something else. But for coming to a BTech project without which your degree will not be recognized. Whenever you will take your degree outside this institute, they will ask you what you have done in your BTech project. If you say, if you don't say like, if you remain like this, silent like this, then they will come to know that it is not done by you, or in your BTech project you don't have any participation. Okay, so you should start thinking on that. Now let's move towards how to start on the doing the project. What should be the first step? Empathize. Design thinking चा पहिला पार्ट आहे एम्पॅथी म्हणतो त्याला. एम्पॅथीला मराठीत काय म्हणतो आपण? सहानुभूती, सिंपॅथी. एम्पॅथी म्हणजे we may not get good word in Marathi, but empathy and sympathy मध्ये फरक काय आहे की आपण एक असं एक्झाम्पल घेऊ की एक फॅमिली आहे ती खूप गरीब आहे, त्यांना खायला पण मिळत नाही, त्यांच्याकडे आपल्याजवळ काय असते? सहानुभूती. आपल्याला वाईट वाटतं. दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज सहानुभूती. दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज सिंपॅथी. वी जस्ट सिंपॅथाइज टुवर्ड दॅट. एम्पॅथी मीन्स तुम्ही जर त्या घरात जाऊन राहिले 2 दिवस, त्यांच्याकडे वागले, त्यांच्याकडे जीवन जगले, तेव्हा तुम्हाला स्वतःला अनुभूती होईल की हां, वॉट दॅट पुअर फॅमिली इज फिलिंग. दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज एम्पॅथी. अनुभूती. So before starting the BTech project, if your project is going to be from the rural area or from the farming background or from the social area, you have to empathize that. That doesn't mean कि तुम्ही 2 दिवस जाऊन तिथे बसणार. That was just an example. But you have to think from that. आपल्या इंग्लिश मध्ये एक म्हण आहे, proverb आहे, to be in the other's shoes. म्हणजे दुसऱ्यांच्या शूज मध्ये जाऊन बघायचं, म्हणजे दुसऱ्यांचे शूज घालून बघायचे, म्हणजे त्यांच्या जागेवर जाऊन बघायचं, त्यांच्या पोझिशनवर जाऊन बघायचं how they are feeling. So you have to start, before selecting the project, you have to empathize with the idea. Then when you take the empathy, you will come to know about the definition of ideas. You will come to know about the various problems they are facing. From that problem, the next step is towards the define. नंतर काय असते? डिफाइन करतो आपण आयडिएशन. आयडिएशन मध्ये काय होणार की त्या 4, 5, 10, 15, 20 आयडिया तुमच्या डेफिनेशनच्या डोक्यामध्ये आला, प्रॉब्लेम स्टेटमेंट तुमच्या डोक्यामध्ये आले, देन यू विल मूव टुवर्ड्स द आयडिएशन. मीन्स त्या प्रॉब्लेमला फायनलाइज करतो आपण. कुठला तरी एक प्रॉब्लेम करतो, फायनलाइज करतो. मग काय ना, प्रोटोटाइप. म्हणजे आपण मग त्या प्रॉब्लेम करून मग प्रोटोटाइप बनवणार आणि ॲट द एंड टेस्टिंग अँड इम्प्लिमेंटेशन. बट I want to add some point in that. I want to add one point: learn at the end. After implementation or after testing the product, after selling the product, learning is important. Why? Learning means taking the feedback from the consumer. If you are preparing a product, you might have seen the Shark Tank India last year. बघितलं Shark Tank India? माहित आहे काय? ज्यांना माहित नाही बघा. What is Shark Tank India? ठीक आहे, सोनी टीव्ही वर येतात. त्यात एक प्रोडक्ट आलं होतं. That person has designed zip line, something company name. He has designed a cover for the glass. बघितला तो एपिसोड? So what comment he got after that? He has developed the product. He was very confident. My product is best in the world. But whether it is useful, whether it is it may be sellable, it can be sold out on the Amazon online platform, but whether it is useful to humanity or to the public, no, it does not require that much of minuteness in the social life. He has designed a cover for the glass, simple plastic. He is going to attach the plastic to the glass and for drinking the water. We don't. Do we require that kind of hygiene? We can clean the class rather than buying that product. So that should be the learning thing. If you are building a product, if you are manufacturing the product and getting the reviews from the customer that product is very bad, you should take it seriously. You should take it seriously. Because audience is always right. Audience poll is always, in KBC you might have seen, audience poll is always right. That doesn't mean that की तुमच्याकडे 5च रिव्ह्यू आले 5 पैकी 4 रिव्ह्यूनी निगेटिव्ह म्हणतात. So that you have to increase the feedbacks. जर 5 रिव्ह्यूच्या बदल्यात तुमची कंपनी बंद करून टाकली याचा काही अर्थ आहे का? नाही. So you have to increase the reviews also at the same time. Okay. So learn is the last point from my point of view in that design thinking process. Okay. So whenever you are going to start the BTech project or final year project or T1 project, you should go through all these 4-5 steps. Okay. Now, why I am here? I am here to demonstrate you the various things you should do before the selecting the project. Now, can you operate a computer? Open the Google Chrome. Do you know how to download papers? Do you know research paper? What is the research paper? Have you seen any research paper somewhere in your life? कधी केला होता? कधी बघितला होता? बोला मला, जोराने बोला. Diploma. A research paper is a paper written by various authors. It can be a student of second year, it can be a student of third year, it can be a faculty, it can be anyone in the domain of engineering or any other. I am referring many papers from the domain of medical, because as a mechanical engineering I am working on micropumps where we need to inject two kinds of fluid together into human body, but in the very micro level, very micro ml level of amount we require to enter into the human body. Like insulin. What do you mean? Do you know insulin? What is insulin? Sugar patients need to take insulin injections, but they take it randomly. They check sometimes how to. They check their sugar level. Sometimes they don't, but they regularly take the insulin injection. But what if I design a product? Again, coming back to the project idea. What if I design a product which need to, like your smartwatch needs to be put on your wrist, and automatically it will detect your sugar level, and as per the sugar level, it will inject that amount of insulin in your body. Will it be feasible? Will it be sellable? जर आता मी लॉन्च केला एक प्रोडक्ट उद्या मार्केटमध्ये विकला जाईल, भरपूर डिमांड येईल ना. सगळ्यात पहिले कोण विकत घेईल? गव्हर्नमेंट विकत घेईल, आम्हाला. So as a mechanical engineer, I am working on that product. You also can also work. For that purpose, I am referring to medical publications. Medical field मध्ये MBBS लोकांनी, डॉक्टर म्हणजे ते मेडिकल डॉक्टर, मी पण डॉक्टर आहे. मेडिकल डॉक्टर लोकांनी जे काम केलं आहे मेडिकलमध्ये, सर्जरी करतात ते, त्यांचे पेपर पण मी रेफर करतो. त्यांच्यावर मी साईट करतो आपल्या पेपरमध्ये, आणि लुकिंग ॲट देअर पेपर, देअर वर्क, आय एम युजिंग देअर प्रोसेस इन माय मेकॅनिकल डिव्हाइस and then creating a device. So अशी रिसर्च केली जाते. नेट आहे का? आहे का? मी चेक करतो. 2 मिनिट्स बेअर विथ मी. लाने. So I will just show you how to search the paper. Do you know we have a Science Direct subscription as a institute. We have a Science Direct subscription of, and just now we have purchased. The cost of the subscription was 13 lakhs. One माहिती आहे? नाही आता पहिले 13 लाखाचं सबस्क्रिप्शन आहे आणि आपण त्याला वेस्ट करतो. As a student, I am using it as a faculty member. But as a student, you are not using it. Very less students are using it because I can see the users there. We have more than 250 journals subscribed at our institute. जर्नल्स काय असतात? पेपरचा संच असतो, म्हणजे 100 पेपर 150 पेपरचा मिळून एक बुक सारखं बनवतात, त्याला आपण जर्नल म्हणतात. त्या जर्नलला वॉल्यूम असतात, वॉल्यूम 1, वॉल्यूम 2, वॉल्यूम 3 असे खूप सारे जर्नल असतात आणि खूप इम्पॅक्ट फॅक्टर जर्नल असतात, मोठमोठे जर्नल असतात. त्यात खूप मोठमोठे सायंटिस्ट लोक काम करतात, त्यांचे पेपर असतात, त्यामुळे त्याला खूप व्हॅल्यू असते. असे आपल्याकडे खूप सारे पेपर असतात. सायन्स डायरेक्ट आहे, इधर पब्लिशिंग हाऊस, सायन्स डायरेक्ट झालं का? You can see. See, Science Direct. You can search like this. Science Direct. You can search any article. Give me an example. Someone tell me what topic you like. Solar or something is dull side. I think bola tum electric vehicle. So I will put electric vehicle. See, electric vehicle scheduling, state-of-the-art critical challenges and future research opportunities. But what papers he has searched? He searched electric vehicle in general. Electric vehicle is a subject, is a field in mechanical also, electronics also, computers. But if you want to search electric vehicle in, for example, give me some specific electrical vehicle or battery management in electrical vehicle. So we can search like that. Battery management in electric vehicle. Now the paper will come which will be related to the electrical engineering background. See, first paper is performance research of integrated thermal management system for battery electric vehicle with motor waste heat energy, heat recovery. See, if you click on the view PDF will get open. So, few papers will not show you PDF option because that journal of cleaner production is not in our basket, in our subscription basket. But this renewable and sustainable energy reviews is in our basket. So that at that it is showing view PDF. See, like this. This is called as paper, research paper. It has a title, it has the author's name here. Okay, all are Chinese suppose. China, yes. So abstract, introduction, what he has done, he has developed some mechanism on the exhaust of the system, and then he has tried and tested onto the real life example. Then come with, it has some test conditions, come with some output and given the output in the form of graph which shows power change amount as compared to compressor speed. As compressor speed increases, power change amount going to be decreased. So that was increasing the battery life ultimately. So he has done something. For that you have to read the paper. I will not read it completely. I just look at the paper, what he has done. Look at the table, looking at the tables and the figure. I just come to a conclusion that what he has done. He has done some modifications into the exhaust system, and then accordingly his output, battery output got increases. This is the basic paper. So, for example, if you want to work in battery management, you should refer such papers. You should read such papers. You should have an idea about such papers, that how people currently are working in the battery management of the electric vehicle, and accordingly from their idea you can find out some gaps. Some gaps means there may be a point where that researchers have not focused, or he might have assumed that point, that, or he might have stated that I will not consider the, for example, the casing of the battery into the consideration. So whenever he says like that, he puts like that, or he assumes something like that, that becomes a problem statement for a new researcher. So whenever some other person will research, he will research on that particular point of casing, battery casing. What is the impact of battery casing into the electric vehicle? So we can work on modification of battery casing and then try to increase the battery output. Is it possible? I just given a layman example. It may be something else. Inside the battery, whatever it is, I don't know. What parts are there inside the battery? You can modify that also and get the better battery output. So this is one of the paper. So this is how paper can be downloaded. You can download multiple paper together if you like that. You can select 2-3 papers or 25 up to 25 and then come to end. Download all 4 articles. So it says some of the paper are not in the subscription list, so you select only download. We have downloaded 2 papers. Okay? Indian artificial intelligence and improved optimization based energy management system of battery, fuel, cell, ultra capacitor and hybrid electrical vehicle. आणि सगळ्यात महत्त्वाची गोष्ट काय तुम्ही टायटल आता तुम्हाला समजलं काय त्यांनी काय केलं हां तुम्हाला टायटल असून समजलं त्यांनी काय केलं समजते ना त्यांनी ऑप्टिमम टायटल वापरलं एकदम म्हणजे त्याच्या वर्क मध्ये त्यांनी जे काम केलं त्या पेपर त्यांनी जे काम केलं ते ऑल पार्ट्स आर देयर इनटू द टायटल इट्स मीन्स बाय जस्ट बाय merely reading the title it is very evident that what that paper may have inside. आणि खूप सारे रिसर्च आहेत तुम्ही ॲज अ रायटर तुम्ही पण एक पेपर लिहिणार भविष्यामध्ये बीटेक मध्ये एंडला तुम्ही फायनल प्रोजेक्ट पेपर लिहिणार तुमचा पेपर पण 10 लोकांनी वाचला पाहिजे तर तुम्ही काय करणार that paper should be attractive from the title only. Otherwise if you write a title battery management in electric vehicle will it be read by the people? They will ignore it because it seems to be very lame, very common है ना म्हणून जेव्हा तुम्ही टायटल पण देणार भविष्यामध्ये that's why title is very important. The use of casing of battery and different types of casing onto the battery output in electric vehicle. असं तुम्ही लिहिलं तर तो ज्याला केसिंग मध्ये इंटरेस्टेड आहे तो पेपर जरूर वाचणार. He will read that paper definitely. That is why title is very important. So I hope you have understood how to download the paper. This is one of the site. This is not wholesale papers are there. Science Direct is one of the publishing house. Accordingly, there are many like Taylor and Francis, TNF, you can see. Okay, where also you can search the papers. One more I will show you, Springer Nature. Springer has just brought Nature also, so it becomes Springer Nature now. Springer also. So there are lot of journals are there. Like for example, suppose engineering. I will click on engineering or energy. Engineering मध्ये बघा communication technology, electronics, electrical engineering. I will show you the journal list. And please search. See here you can put electrical, all journals will come. Front page of electrical and electronic engineering, journal of electrical system information technology, journal of electrical engineering and technology. All are good journals. Volume 19 means it is publishing in from last 10 years. Okay. प्रत्येक वर्षी एक किंवा 2 वॉल्यूम प्रत्येकाला येतात किंवा 3 येतात किंवा 4 येतात डिपेंड्स ऑन जर्नल. म्हणजे ते खूप जुनं जर्नल आहे. आणि याचा एम स्कोप मध्ये गेलं इथे तुम्हाला खाली सगळ्यात आलं की इंडेक्सिंग समजतं. That is not important from your point of view. There is a category of paper that is called as SCI paper, Science Citation Index, as well as Scopus papers. That is not important from your point of view right now, but this is a category of papers. Good quality of papers comes under SCI, then Scopus. then without that, as per the quality of the paper. So you should refer papers from SCA as well as Scopus. So these are three publishing houses from where you can download a paper, and there are not only three, there are many other than that. So these three are very popular from the point of view of the paper research. Now second point comes to into picture. What is other than papers? Can you tell me what is other than paper? If you have patents, what is the patents? What do you understand by patent? Why we should do patent? Why it is important to have patents?
कुठली स्वतःचं इनोव्हेशन त्याला जो रिसर्च असतो तो पेटेंट होतो आणि कोणी कॉपी करून
that is the type of IPR. IPR म्हणजे राईट्स म्हणजे अधिकार, हक्क है ना. तर तुम्ही जे इनोव्हेशन केलं आहे, that innovation should be protected. Means that innovation should not be used by other or should not be used by some other person and sell it. So your project or innovation, your product should be safely secured somewhere. That's why patents need to be done. आता पेटेंट करणं खूप सोपी आहे. At our institute it is very easy. Especially in our institute. Why? What is required in patent first? First required brain, mind, intellectual. Okay? Intellectual मध्ये तुम्ही एखादा प्रोडक्ट बनवला, एखादा डिव्हाइस तुम्ही बनवलंय आणि त्या डिव्हाइसला तुम्ही जर पेटेंट करायचं आहे, त्यासाठी तुम्हाला डिव्हाइस लागला पाहिजे. ओके, त्याचे डिझाईन्स लागला पाहिजे. आता त्या पेटेंटला कसं करायचं? त्याची फी असते 4,000 रुपये, 8,000 रुपये, 5,000 रुपये, 2,000 रुपये फी असते. डिझाईन पेटेंटची 1,000 रुपये असते, प्रोडक्ट पेटेंटची 8,000 रुपये असते. असे वेगवेगळे फी असते. आपल्या इन्स्टिट्यूटमध्ये फुल रिइंबर्समेंट. तुम्ही पेटेंट अप्लाय करा, यू गेट फुल 8,000, 10,000, 10,000, whatever amount required, you will get it back. That is the facility given by our institute. So we should go on patenting our BTech project. For patenting the BTech project, your BTech project should be unique. And before patenting, you should search the already existed patent into the website. Okay. आता पेटेंट सर्च कसे करणार? त्याची वेबसाईट आहे का? इंडियन पेटेंट. तुम्ही सर्च केले आहे का कधी? नाही. आपण सर्च करू, ट्राय करू, होते का? गूगलला लिहायचं सिंपल इंडिया पेटेंट सर्च. पहिली वेबसाईट येईल पेटेंट सर्च इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट्स. इथे खूप सारे कॉलम आले, रिपीटेड कॉलम आहे. काय करायचं नाही, एक बघायचं तर काय ॲप्लिकेशन फील्ड हे माहीत नाही आपल्याला, पब्लिशिंग डेट वगैरे नाही माहिती, मस्त माहिती. आपण नेम बघूया, एंटर टायटल. ओके, वन सेकंड. इथे सिलेक्ट करू आपण ॲप्लिकेशन नंबर, पेटेंट नंबर, ॲप्लिकंट नेम, पेटेंट कंट्री, पेटेंट ॲड्रेस, इन्व्हेंटर नेम, इन्व्हेंटर कंट्री, इन्व्हेंटर ॲड्रेस नाही. याची गरज आहे का? नाही. त्याच्यावर जायचं, सिलेक्ट करायचं इलेक्ट्रिक व्हेकल बॅटरी मॅनेजमेंट. इतके कॉमन पेटेंट नाव कोणी देत नाही, पेटेंट युनिक असतं त्यामुळे तो कोणी देत नाही कॉमन. खाली यायचं काय कॅप्चर भरपूर पेटेंट आहे. त्याला पेटेंट यावर क्लिक केलं ना आता समजतं पेटेंट आहे. त्याचा ॲप्लिकेशन नंबर, फायलिंग डेट काय आहे 2024, आत्ताच 13 तारीख, 5 तारखेला कंप्लीट फायलिंग केलं. पेटेंट कोण आहे? वेदांत म्हात्रे. त्याची डिटेल्स सगळे दिसतात. व्ह्यू डॉक्युमेंट्स, सगळे डॉक्युमेंट दिसतात काय काय. डिझाईन बरोबर नाही. ॲबस्ट्रॅक्ट त्याच्यामध्ये पेटंट आहे त्यांनी काय रिव्ह्यू केलं आहे सगळं दिलं आहे. फक्त इतकं डिटेलमध्ये नसतं, डायमेन्शन वगैरे नसतं की तुम्ही याला कॉपी करून तुमचं पेटंट फाईल करू शकता. त्यामुळे ते पण थोडं हायब्रिड होतं जोपर्यंत पेटंट ग्रांट होत नाही. आणि इंडियामध्ये थोडा ग्रँटिंगला वेळ लागतो, मिनिमम 2 years, मिनिमम 1 year लागतो. Granting process is very difficult in India. So there are 3 stages in patent. One is filing, second one is publishing, and third one is granting. Second one is okay. It can be published within 4 months, and that can be put on your resume. You have one published patent. Granting साठी examination वगैरे होते, त्यांची ते review साठी बोलवतात आपल्याला. Hearing होते, online, offline दोन्ही पद्धतीने होऊ शकतं. ते online जनरली online आपण सिलेक्ट करतो. Hearing मध्ये ते क्वेश्चन विचारतात, त्याचे आन्सर द्यायचे आणि त्यानंतर पेटंटला ग्रँट करतात. Granting a patent means a huge leap. Our institute is how many year old? 26 year old, and we have only 3 grant patents. Okay, we have more than 50 published patents, but only 3 grant. That from this याच्यामध्ये तुम्ही अंदाज लावू शकता की पेटंट ग्रँटिंग होणं किती मोठी गोष्ट आहे. One of my friend has filed patent in 2014 and he got patent in 2019. Grant published it was there in 15 only, but he granted the patent in 2019. That's what earlier it was taking that much time. Nowadays 1 or 2 years they will take. But granting is a huge thing. From that one granted patent, you can sell that patent at the end, or you can lock that patent. Some people lock the patent. They lock the patent for 50 years, like Coca-Cola. They have locked it for 40-50 years, but after locking period gets over, it is open for public. You cannot relock it. So that's why Coca-Cola logo is not patented now. It was patented, now it is open to use by anyone. So that is called as patent. So you should not lock it. You should lock it for a few years. Afterwards, you should sell it, or you should use it in your entrepreneurship. That's what I am requesting. That's what I am specifying. Okay. So this is Patent Search India, Patent India search website. This is mainly for product patent. There are 2 types of patent. One is product patent, one is design patent. Design patent means only design is submitted. We are not going to create a product. Only design is going to be created at the end. So for that there is another website. So these 2 things very important from the point of view of research, from the point of view of product, from the point of view of your BTech project. So whenever you are going to select your project with your guide, this time your guides, you have how many faculty members? 13 faculty members. So 13 into 15 groups are there, na?
There are about 20.
Each one will be having only one. Each faculty will be having only one group. So whenever you are going to discuss with your project guide, what product or what project is going to be done by you, your group in the TY Mini or your BTech project, you should decide. You should sit with your project guide very calmly and discuss whatever you want. You have to tell your area of interest first. तुमचा एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट सांगायला तुमची आवश्यकता असते. नंतर गाईडचा इंटरेस्ट काय आहे, दोघांचा इंटरेस्ट मॅच करून मग आपण एका पॉइंटवर येऊ शकतो का, दॅट इज इम्पॉर्टंट. आणि सिलेक्ट झाल्यानंतर, एरिया सिलेक्ट झाल्यानंतर या प्रोसेस थ्रू तुम्हाला जावं लागणार कंपल्सरी नाही, पण जायचं. इफ यू गॉन थ्रू दिस प्रोसेस, पेपर सर्च, पेटंट सर्च, ऑन दॅट यू गेट लॉट ऑफ आयडिया की किती काम झालेलं आहे आणि किती काम राहिलेलं आहे. मग ते जे काम राहिलेलं आहे त्यात तुम्ही तुमचं बीटेक प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट करू शकता. आणि वन्स यू कंप्लीट दॅट प्रोजेक्ट, if your BTech project is unique now, it will be very easy for you to get the good job, as well as if you pursue your MTech, your PG in future in electrical engineering, it will be very much easy for you if you have a good project. I have been selected in IIT Kanpur on the basis of my MTech project. I was waiting for interviewer to ask me about my project. I was insisting myself एक बार इन्होंने पूछना चाहिए BTech project, मेरा MTech project. Once they asked mistakenly what you have done in your MTech project, I did not stop, because I had that confidence that my BTech or my MTech project was of that quality that can be crackable. That because of that only I have been selected into 3 IITs. among which I said private company. So what I am requesting you that your BTech will be known by not your percentile. If you are 10 pointer, if you are 8 pointer, if you are 6 pointer, you will all will go into same company on the same post. But if your project is of good quality, it will differentiate. It will definitely differentiate on your position. It will definitely. So conclusion of this presentation, I will stop here. The conclusion of my talk is here only to motivate you or tell you some glimpses of about how to select project, how to complete project, or how to proceed with the BTech project, and how to convert that BTech project into the good product. If you don't want to pursue your job, if you don't want to go into the placement, no issue. But you should do something after your BTech. That something means job or entrepreneurship. Okay? And third option is your post graduation. Okay, thank you.